Morning. Did not get to do like my face or anything. So I will have to do it in the car. Pray for me and that.
Better have my money. Y'all should know me well enough. Better have my money. Please don't call me on my blood. Pay me what you want me. I call a shot. Like blah, blah, blah. Pay me what you want me. Don't act like you forgot.
Gosh, guys, okay, if you saw the last clip, then you would see when we stopped and then there was an impact. Somebody ran onto us. Jeez, what did I do with that phone? And now he does not want to take responsibility. These damn people. So I wrote up a little thing for him to sign saying that he accepts responsibility for repair work to the bumper and he doesn't want to sign it. Hey Kenny. Yeah, they were Jimmy, but somebody ran onto Jimmy and took off the bumper, so we starting out that. Alright. Come Jimmy. So what you're saying is that you want him to bring the bumper to Richland Park for you to fix?
Yeah, me go deal with that, man.
I understand that, but you have to sign to that. You have to sign. Just sign. That's all I wrote. It just says.
Man, I understand, man. You should have fixed your thing and me fix mine.
Right, so you just sign.
But I'm not going to fix the vehicle. That one you pay for.
He signed it.
You put your name there, so?
Yeah.
Sign over it.
So write out your name here and.
Write out your name there, sign over it. You're freaking unfair now.
Man, no sign your name and not say about you, forget about that. That never costs you. That never costs you. You're satisfied.
And the date, put in the date.
No, put it.
Put the date.
Put your name up there.
So he finally signed accepting responsibility for fixing the bumper. So we go forward with our lives from here now. Jesus. That was an experience. What the part that bothers me about all of this is, like, this is a lesson. I always wear my seatbelt, and I was just focusing so much on doing my face, I did not have on my seatbelt. What if this accident was worse? This is a lesson. People, please wear your seatbelt. Guys, I still feel really bad. Like, am I that vain that some foundation and some powder would cause me not to remember to put on my seatbelt? That is going to bother me. That really is going to bother me. But, well, at least it wasn't, worse. And I would remember from now on to always, no matter what, put my seatbelt on. Oh lordy. Okay, so let me go put on my lipstick. Let me tell you, we just ordered food from Massey stores again this week. Massey, I am coming for you. I am coming to your store today and I am going to vlog. And I dare you and your security guard to try and stop me. I dare you. Let's see who's the bigger person. I'm going to vlog in Massey stores today. Yeah. I'm going into Massey. So there's a line. Freaking. So I'm gonna get back to you when I get to the front of the line. And there's a security guard right over there. It's a girl, she's watching me. Hello. I forgot I didn't have to stand in the line. Our food were already there because we pre-ordered. So I'm going to cash out now.
We'll have to, I'm not
I don't
too sure,
like
we'll
it.
have to schedule that with
But
you,
your
'cause I
food
can't tell you tomorrow.
is amazing. Sorry I didn't get to vlog this afternoon in town, but oh my god, it was really, really hectic. So what I'm going to show you now, my country has a yearly festival leading up to Christmas called the 9 Mornings Festival, where we showcase different aspects of our culture for the 9 mornings leading up to Christmas Day. So today is the big launch. I'm here and I'm just going to show you, to end the vlog, just show you a little bit of what the launch is looking like.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, it's 9 mornings in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. On stage is Oya getting themselves together to bring their community song to you. Next on stage we'll have the dynamic community of Stouts. Oya, over to you.
Oh, you must come to Oya for Christmas. Our Papa is just like baby Jesus. That's how you can bring your whole family. Just leave the presents and on the Christmas tree. In Oya, I'm gonna bring you, and we will see you from the family. So, when the season in my bed, when the 16 we highlighted, on Christmas everything. Of course we celebrate, like how we celebrated, on Christmas everything.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're coming a little closer to Kingstown. And they're one of the communities that have been outstanding over the years for the 9 mornings. They're here to try and cup the best community song competition. They want to make history as the first winner. Put your hands together and welcome Stubbs community. Come on, Stubbs.
Hip, hip, hooray!
video.